Pulverized Vinsol resin, PV resin, is a substance that is extracted from pinewood stumps. It has a dark brown color and a high melting point. It is a thermoplastic natural resin. Vinsol is produced exclusively by Pinova Incorporated in Brunswick, Georgia, USA. Because of its physical and chemical properties and its aliphatic-hydrocarbon insolubility, Vinsol resin is used in a wide range of industrial applications. In a finely ground state, it is used for testing filters for clogging, e.g. in accordance with SAE/HS 806. The powder, which is free-flowing, may be suspended in a liquid for testing purposes. Adhesives and sealants, inks and coatings, binder in paperboard and composition board, asphalt and ionic slow-setting emulsions for paving, surfacing and sealing applications, air entrainment in concrete, cements and mortars to improve strength, workability, and freeze-thaw resistance, foundry molds and core washes. References: